Good afternoon, children, and welcome to today's lesson on agricultural science. My name is Oden Anita. Our topic today is tuber crops. Today we'll be discussing on what tuber crops are, types of tuber crops, and the examples of each type of tuber crops and uses of tuber crops. Please sit up, pay attention. This is an interesting topic.
Hello peepers and welcome to today's lesson.
Alright, let's look at what tuber crops are. Tuber crops are crops which have swollen underground stem. I'll take it again. Tuber crops are crops which have swollen underground stem. Now, let's look at the types of tuber crops. There are two types of tuber crops, which are number 1, stem tuber crops, and number 2, root tuber crops. I take it again. Number 1, stem tuber crops, and number 2, root tuber crops. Okay, let's look at the examples of stem tuber crops. Number 1, yam. Number 2, water yam. Number 3, cocoa yam. Number 4, sweet potato. Number 5, cassava, and so on and so forth. I take it again. Number 1, we have yam. Number 2, water yam. Number 3, cocoa yam. Number 4, sweet potato. And number 5, we have cassava, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's look at the examples of root tuber crops. Number 1, we have ginger. Number 2, we have carrots. Number 3, we have turmeric. I take it again. Number 1, ginger. Number 2, carrots. Number 3, turmeric, and so on and so forth. Now, these are the uses of tuber crops. Number 1, tuber crops are sources of energy. That is, they supply the body with energy. Number 2, tuber crops are also used as animals' feed. As we human beings need energy, animals also need energy. Examples of the animal that eats tuber crops are goats and pig. Number 3, tuber crops are used for the production of chips and flour. Example, cassava chips and yam flour. Number 4, tuber crops are also used for the production of alcohol. Example, beer. Number 5, tuber crops are also grown as food or cash crop. That is, food crops for human consumption and also cash crops for sale. Number 6, tuber crops are also used for production of starch for clothes. Now, we have been able to discuss what tuber crops are, the types of tuber crops, examples of each types of tuber crops, and also the uses of tuber crops. Now, your homework. Number 1, what are tuber crops? Number 2, list 3 examples of tuber crops. Number 3, state 3 uses of tuber crops. I take it again. Number 1, what are tuber crops? Number 2, list 3 examples of tuber crops. Number 3, state 3 uses of tuber crops. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you. Bye.